Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. So just click and then enter your model number B50AI top and then hit enter. Then guys click on product and then click on the motherboard title B80AI top. So this is your motherboard. Click on support. Then guys select your operating system which is you require to install the driver, Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can watch this video and install the driver because installations process same. LAN driver, so you can see this is LAN driver and click to download. And it is downloaded, just open it and double click to exe and then click to yes. And then closed. LAN driver install means automatically close, this is installed.